You told me to hush.
Why you got my chicken?
What chicken?
Why you got my chicken?
What chicken?
Why you got my chicken, bitch?
I have no chicken.
Just stop my chicken!
I'll pop you in the freaking head with this.
You wouldn't do it. You wouldn't. Ah!
You want some tea on you?
Stole my chicken. Wait, what? What happened on my shrimp?
You ate it.
No, I have one more in there. Mickey!
I think I couldn't.
Eating my freaking shrimp. Hey, stop my shrimp! First it was a chicken and now it's a shrimp. You motherfucker. He got my chicken.
Because I don't know.
I put this don't want and be mad if I end up doing something about it. Kind of came and threatened that, I guess.
Mean kitty. Taking my damn shrimp. My shrimp. Not yours. It's your own damn shrimp. Get from your mouth mix.
Meow meow. I think mine. It's green. That looks wrong.
I'm being my lovable self. Love me, bitches.
Love me. All I ask is for you to love me.
Sorry.
That goes in my head.
Yeah, this is probably the weirdest video I ever made. Damn cat stealing my chicken. Said no chicken. I'm cold. I don't know, but that damn cat took my shrimp. Home. It got cold.
Hey, let's go outside. Open up.
Damn cat stealing my chicken.
Why you do that? What the fuck, man?
It's cold. Okay, now we're outside. Damn cat took my shrimp. Hey, I see you. I see you. My chicken. My chicken. My damn shrimp.
Oh my god, I look horrible. Here, take it. I look horrible.
Yep, and there's a big picture of my boobs right there. Okay, I'm outside now, as you can see. And, damn cat took my chicken. My chicken! Hey, I see you trying to steal my chicken, kitty.
You have my chicken.
It was my chicken! It's still in its stomach, in my chicken and my shrimp.
Wrap it out.
I don't want it after that. I wanted it then, but not now. Gotta get it out somewhere. I see you. Smell like shit. Now it's gotta go because it's been like a while. Yeah.